Welcome to episode 4 of this tower defense series, where I'll show you how to add tower costs and coins up here, and when you then press go, you can earn money when you kill the enemies, so you can add more towers. So let's get started. So what you should start off by doing is going in the link in the description and going to this GitHub I've created where I have a coin PNG. So we'll click on code and then we will download the zip folder. Now in your downloads you can unzip it by doing unzip all and doing unzip. Now we have it right here, and I'll go to sprites in here and I'll create a new folder called coin. Then I'll open this up and drag the coin sprite in here. So now we have it here. Make sure the texture type is set to sprite and the sprite mode is set to single. So hit apply. Now on our canvas we can double click on that, and then we can right click and go to UI and create an image which we're gonna call coins, where we will drag our coin sprite onto here. Then I'll anchor it up here by holding shift and clicking there. I'll set the position to 18 and -18 and the width to be 35 by 35. Then I'll right click on the coins and go to UI and create a text mesh pro for the coin text. So I'll call it coin text. I'll set this new text to be 0 and I'll set the position to 122.7 like this. And you can see it's a bit too much up right now, so I'll scroll down and I'll align it to the middle. Then I'll also set it to a bold font style, and that's it for this. Now let's create a coin manager script. So go to assets and go to the scripts, where we're gonna right click and create monobehavior script called coin manager. Now open that up. In here we'll delete the start and update function, and then at the top we'll add a new library. So we'll do using TM Pro for the text mesh pro library. Then we'll add a public static coin manager instance, so that we can access the coin manager from anywhere in our project. Then I'll also add a public int called coins and a public text mesh pro UGUI called coin text. Then let's add an awake function where we'll set our instance to be equal to this. And then the last thing we need in our coin manager is a public void called update coins, where we will have an input of an int called change amount. And then we can in here do coins plus equals the change amount. And after that we can set coin text equal to coins.toString, because it's an integer and not a string. That's all for our coin manager. So now we can head back into Unity, where we can click on the coins object right there and add a new component, which will be the coin manager. I'll set the coins to be 10, so this will be our default value in the beginning. And I will drag the coin text onto here. And to make sure we get this 10 value in the beginning displayed right there, we need to go in here. And in the awake function, we'll do update coins and do 0. Because we don't have a change amount, but our coins is just equal to 10. So this will just update the text. Of course, text. Now we will go into the projectile script. In here we'll just add a simple thing. So right before we destroy one of the enemies when we kill them, we will also do coin manager.instance.update coins, where we'll update it and add 1 coin like this. So every time we kill an enemy, we get 1 coin. Then let's head into the tower script. In here I'll simply add a simple public int called tower price, and I'll set this to 1 as default. And that's all we need in here. Now we can head back into Unity and double click on the canvas so we can see the entire thing, and scroll down to the buy buttons over here for the archer and wizard. And let's display the price of the towers. So I'll open this up and then I'll right click on it and go to UI and create an image called price, where I'll set the sprite source right here to be the coin. Then I'll anchor it by holding shift down here and set the width to 25 and the height to 25. And then the X position will be 3 and the Y position will also be 3. So it's just a bit up. Then we need a text under the price. So I'll right click, go to UI and choose a text mesh pro, and I'll call it text. I'll also set this one to 0 for now. Then I'll set it to bold. And up here, I'll set the X position to 115.2. And let's scroll down and set the font size to be 20 and align it to the middle. Perfect. Now it looks pretty good, as you can see. Then I'll copy this, click there, and I'll drag it onto the tower button. So now we have a price for the wizard too. And then let's click on this one up here. We can see the position is 3. So I'll go down to the second one we copied and set that one to 3 too, so it goes over here. Now for the prices, I want the price for the archer to be 5, so I will write 5 right here. Then I'll also go to assets and go to prefabs and go to my archer here and set the tower price to 5, so it's the same. Then for our wizard, let's click on the text for the wizard. I'll set the price to be 10, and the same in here in the prefab, set it to 10 over here. Perfect. Now inside of our tower selection UI script, we will add one if statement around this, where we will check if tower prefab manager.getComponent tower. So now we have the tower script where we will do tower price. Well, here we'll check if the tower price is less than or equal to coinmanager.instance.coins. So basically if we have enough coins for our tower. And then I'll wrap it around, so I'll put this inside like that. And then inside of our tower placer, which is this one, in here when we place our tower, we just want to decrease our coins with the value of the tower. So we will do coinmanager.instance.update coins, where we will in here do minus tower selection UI .selected tower prefab .get component tower .price, so tower price. Perfect, so we just decrease with the tower price. Let's now head back into Unity, scroll out, and let's try to hit play. And oops, not tag, and let's do a large screen. Now let's place a wizard because we have enough for that. And now we have 0 coins, and let's press go. And now we'll earn some coins every time we kill an enemy. And yep, now we have 5 coins, so let's place the archer here. I really hope you liked this tower defense episode. In the next one, we will add health so you can actually lose the game if too many enemies get over here. So see you for that episode tomorrow. And also I encourage you to go master Unity using my community in the link in the description. In there you go through courses, and in only 3 hours you'll have published your first game on itch.io. So go check that out in the link in the description and have an amazing day.